In this video, Bitcoin has finally made a bullish confirmation, but the question is, where is Bitcoin going to be targeting? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data, not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video, and let's give you first a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous video, sabi ko nga, 'di ba, na nagkakaroon na tayo finally ng somewhat of a bullish signs forming with the Bitcoin price action in the RSI. So 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, ang kailangan nyo abangan is a declining price with an increasing RSI. In case na makakita tayo nun, we will be opening a long position. And that is what we did right now. Nakita na natin finally mag-form yung declining price while increasing RSI. So right now, we have opened a long position dito. In-announce ko yan sa group chat ko sa Instagram as well as sa Messenger na I have opened a long position. And then right now, my trade is currently up 200% na nga dito sa itong simpleng move na to. But the question is, where is Bitcoin heading to? So if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, you can find na meron na tayong ditong bullish divergence. And if you're going to zoom out in the daily time frame, we also have another bullish divergence dito, wherein ito, i-plot lang natin siya. Ayan, meron tayong declining price and then increasing RSI tayo dito. So right now, it looks like Bitcoin is going to be doing a bullish confirmation dito, and at the same time in the daily time frame we have seen a bullish stochastic RSI cross, so that is why we have opened a long position dito kay Bitcoin. Now the target dito is, if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, the target in the 4-hour time frame is going to be 64,000 US dollars. So ito, 64k, yun yung sa 4-hour time frame. But in the daily time frame, following this in the daily time frame, ang magiging target sa daily time frame is more likely going to be around 66,000 US dollars. So right now, we have long position open for the short term. And right, take note guys, I have opened this kay Wix kasi kay Wix mas mura ang Bitcoin trading fees for the short term, and you can open multiple long positions dito kay Wix if you are going to trade kay Wix. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys to trade with Wix. So yeah, that is where we are currently seeing kay Bitcoin. And if you're going to zoom out na nga, it looks like a very good move for us to see here. And 66k is actually pretty good resistance kasi previously 66k was a support area. So 66k would be a very good resistance area for us to monitor for the Bitcoin price to return to. But yeah, I guess yun yung ma-update natin for the time being dito muna kay Bitcoin. And take note guys, right now kino-consolidate ko yung Apple Watch SE giveaway kasi of course, ang isa sa mga requirement dito is kailangan nag-trade kay Wix. So ayan nakalagay dito, trade at least once with a minimum of $20 in Wix. So right now, chine-check ko ngayon kung sino yung mga nag-trade and hindi mga nag-trade, and then ilalagay ko yun sa raffle entry dito kay Apple Watch SE giveaway. But anyway, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.